Slang versus colloquial expressions. Colloquial and slang are both informal spoken forms of language. Slang refers to words used only by a particular social group, which could be young people or professionals in a particular field. Here are some examples and definitions of slang terms under the profession of a police officer. Bacon, meter maid, narc. Slang is less formal and may include words and expressions that are not part of standard language. Colloquial, on the other hand, is language used mostly in ordinary or familiar communication settings, as in a conversation between friends or relatives. It mostly consists of contractions or other informal words and phrases known to most native speakers of a language. The use of colloquial is called colloquialism. The following are examples for both slang and colloquial. Colloquial. What's up? Wanna. Gonna. Slang. Ginormous. Frenemy. Bromance. Thank you for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe the channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Thank you.